everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new kit. It is our winter kit that we can finally bring you. They lost these stamps last month. We had them remanufactured so we can bring you this kit. So let me show you what is in the winter kit. So in the winter kit, you've got this really cute stamp, which of course is a little winter stamp with the gorgeous little badger. And we have got this sweet laser cards, which has got a whole bunch of things, best wishes for you and a happy hello. These are the little beautiful card making prints that come in this kit, all perfect for your winter tones. They are great, and these are only available in the kit, I'm sorry. This is the mini cut apart sheet. This one you can have a whole sheet on its own. And this, of course, is the gorgeous little winter magazine. I can't turn the pages. Cute little cards by DT. I love the laser cut. Oh, this is a new die. Let me tell you about this die in 1 second. You can add that on. So these are our two add-on dies. This one, of course, is the fussy cut die for winter. And this is our slim irregular window. So it's got 3 irregular windows. And let me show you what a card looks like with it. And in there you've got thinking of you, which is that one there, thank you, and for you. So thinking of you, thank you, and for you come in there. And here are some of the cute cards that Ashley has made. I'm going to show you, this is with the laser cut. For you, best wishes, and sunshine on a rainy day. So this is a new kit. Mini kits are just $28. It includes a stamp, and you will be able to purchase this on our website from the 20th of, what month we're in? August. Thanks guys, bye.